Hello everyone, welcome back. I know I haven't been very active on here lately. Things have been kind of busy and hectic around here. Start to get into the summertime, we can start doing some more projects. It's been too cold and dark out here in the winter to do much. Main reason I want to film this little short video today is let you know that we are going to be moving to a different channel. My girlfriend and I have decided to start a channel between the two of us. I'm going to feature tractor content, stuff like that. We've got a lot of projects to work on, and I'm going to try to stay on top of it and get more regular content out for everybody. And then she's going to do more with her cattle and kind of the farm side of it. But we're going to combine that into one joint channel, and I'll post a link to that channel down in the description of this video. The name of that channel is Tractor Tales and Cattle Tales. So we'll be over on that channel from now on. So if you guys want to follow me over there, that's fine. Like I said, I'll post a link so you can find the channel fairly easily. But we've got a couple new tractors in our fleet. This one's a 57 International Cub Lowboy that I inherited from a very dear friend of mine. He passed away. Probably the most special tractor in my collection out here. So we're going to be doing some work on it in the near future. And I've got my little 2N Ford. We've been working on it some. I didn't get much video done on it, but we'll have, from here on out, we'll have some video content a bit over on the new channel. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that we're going to be over there. Have a lot of the same. I'm going to try to do some more, tool videos and stuff, as well as the tractors. And be the same stuff I've been trying to do here, but we're going to combine it all onto that one channel, make it easier for both of us. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope to see you over on the other channel. Thanks a lot, guys.